Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Only a few days left till Easter and it is already jam-packed in Benidorm. We've just been up through town and it is chaos, but let me show you Levante seafood. Now this may shock you. First off though, we have got tiki pizza and that is just jumping. It is busy. Then, of course, what would you even call that? Wheelchair-friendly motorbike? I mean, it is the weirdest thing I've seen, guys. If you come on the back, you can kind of see